Tom is 6. Tom is big. Tom can run and jog. Tom has a pet dog. Rex is his pet. Tom can rub him. Tom can pat him. Tom lets Rex hop up on his bed. Pat has a pet cat. Rex bit Pat's cat. Ned has 10 fat hens. Rex bit a red hen. Rex bit a red hen. Did Rex vex Tom? Tom got mad. Rex is not let hop on Tom's bed. Rex is bad. Tom is sad.